Installing KOHLER Silestone Quartz Vanity Tops. This animation is intended as a supplement. Refer to the installation instructions packed with your product for important safety information, required tools, and detailed installation instructions. Warning: risk of serious injury and product damage. The countertop is heavy. Get assistance when moving and installing the countertop. Handle the countertop with care. The product can break or chip if struck against a hard surface. For this installation, you will need the following tools and materials: siliconized acrylic caulk, level, rags, ball-peen hammer, and safety glasses. KOHLER Vanity Tops can accommodate both widespread faucets and single-hole faucets. For single-hole faucet installations, turn the countertop over so the underside is facing up. Apply siliconized acrylic caulk to the provided metal plates. Press the plates over the unused knockout holes. Allow the caulk to cure for 48 hours before installing the vanity top. To knock out the additional holes needed for a widespread faucet installation, securely clip the template onto the countertop. Place the countertop face up on a protected, flat, level surface. With a ball-peen hammer, strike the centers of each knockout hole. Lift the countertop to remove the debris. Set the countertop down and refine the edges of the holes by lightly hammering within the circles. Remove the template. Install the faucet and sink to the countertop by following the manufacturer's instructions. Open the vanity doors and drawers. Then apply a thin bead of siliconized acrylic caulk around the top of the vanity. With assistance, position the countertop on the vanity and gently press down until the countertop is level. Wipe away any excess caulk. Install the drain to the sink, then complete the faucet and drain connections. Turn on the water. Check all connections for leaks.